Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer using the derivative of f of x given below. So we have this one in here. Now they want to find which intervals is increasing or decreasing. So now I will show you how to answer. If first derivative of the function is greater than number 0, so that is about the function is increasing. If first derivative of the function is smaller than number 0, that means this location in here is decreasing. Now we can apply this one in here. First, we need to draw the table. So we have s, so from negative infinity to positive infinity. So we have s to the power of 1 over 3 in here, and s minus 4. So the solution of this one when this one equals to number 0, that is about 0. S minus 4 equals to number 0, so you got about s equals to number 4. So this is the solution of this one, and number 4 is about the solution of this one. So we see that coefficient of this one is about positive number 1. So the sign on the right should be about positive. This one is about negative. Similar for this one, coefficient of this one is about positive number 1. So the sign of on the right is about positive. This one negative. This one negative. We combine two functions together. You got about s to the power of 1 over 3, s minus 4. And this one equal to first derivative of the function. So we put number 0 in here, number 0 in here, because this is about the solution of this one. Plus multiplied by plus, that's about positive with the positive, you got about positive. Positive with the negative, if we multiply each other, you got about negative. Negative with negative, we multiply each other in here, you got about positive. Now we can analyze from here and here. We can say the function is increasing on the interval from negative infinity to number 0 in here, and from number 4 to positive infinity. And the last one, the function is decreasing on, we have the negative sign in here, so that should be on the interval from 0 to positive number 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.